Hello everyone, today we are going to see how to display dates using nodejs. Okay, let's see the steps one by one. I want you are supposed to install moment in your terminal. See, the command which we are supposed to run here is npm install moment double dash save. Okay, so with that command you can easily install moment library. Okay, just a minute. Copy this and then we will paste it over here. Okay, yeah. Then press enter. Then library will get loaded. Once it get loaded, then we can easily use the module. Okay, yeah. It's installed. If you want to cross check, see it will be in this part. Okay, it will be present. Package.json maybe inside node modules moment. Yeah, it's present. Okay, now you are ready. Now you are ready to run your package. So to import that package, first of all, you need to uh, write require moment.js. Okay. Then once you get it, const d. Okay. And the format, whatever you want, you are supposed to write that format like this. See, I will give you the format link so that it will be useful to you. Okay. Once you know the format, then you can easily write it on your own. Okay, just run. Let's run this part in the command prompt and cross verify whether we are getting here. We are getting the date in the exact format as specified. Okay, so I hope you are enjoying. See, this is the format. If you want, you can copy this code from the description below. Okay, now see, one more will do. One more format I will show it to you. Const t equals what we can do moment. See, I will write only d. Just a minute. Okay, fine, we'll write it over here. Yeah, okay. So once we are okay, we haven't called anything. Yeah, we have called already. Okay, so we'll write it over here and we'll write node space dates. We'll get this. Acha, we have not done console.log. Okay, console.log, what we are supposed to print t. Okay, so once you print t, you will get it how to print that date in that particular format. See, this is Wednesday. Okay, yes, correct. See, this will represent the day. Okay, suppose you want the format dd month, date and year. Okay, so for this there is a separate format like this you have to write. Okay, we'll take another variable const m equals this and we'll console.log control c control v, we will do it. Okay, and we'll write it over here. Okay, console.log. See, you will get the date in the proper format. Okay, see, October 12th 2022 and 129:32. See, this is the today's date. Okay, now let's see one by one. One more date we have to see. See, I'm just writing the format so that you will get the access to it. Okay, so next would be like this. Let's take const p equals to moment.format. Okay, so this is the way you can use the dates in nodejs. Okay, if you enjoyed this video, do like and subscribe my channel and share it with your friends. Okay, I will share this code in the description below. Thank you and have a nice day.